Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at the proposal conclusion. We'll be creating the final wrap up of your overall proposal and how we're going to be writing it, along with what you need to know for the rubric. So let's go ahead and break down how we're writing our conclusion. The conclusion itself, you'll be writing up your argument for your design that helps your reader understand how your treatment is optimal. And that's the big idea. Everything up to now was about introducing your treatment, was about the evidence behind why your treatment is successful and why you were able to find certain criteria or minimize certain criteria more than the others. Now we're focusing on what makes it optimal. And this is the big key idea here. This is where you're going to help your reader understand that the optimal design comes with trade-offs in order to find the best solution. We know that it's impossible to find the perfect treatment. This is where you need to explain to your reader why it's okay to have a little bit higher cost if it means a little bit lower resistance, or why it's okay to have higher side effects if it means to have a lower overall cost. So let's go ahead and take a look. Your entire proposal focused on supporting your claim with evidence. So you're going to need to prove why your evidence is the strongest using the following. You're going to need to create a conclusion paragraph that explains how the criteria was prioritized within the treatment design. So why you chose cost and then side effects and then resistance level or whatever your order is, and then what the trade-offs were to help you accomplish that optimal design. So you're not just telling me I'm going to be okay with a higher cost. You're going to tell me how you got to that higher cost if it means lower side effects and such. So first and foremost, you're going to start with how you prioritize your criteria. Okay. So you're going to tell me based on your treatment results, here's what we prioritize. Here was the most important, second most important, third most important. And then to help you prioritize, obviously, your criteria, the paragraph prompts in here will have a section for you in the conclusion column that will help you start up your writing. So again, if you don't know where to start, or if you get stuck and don't know where to go from your writing, check those out. They'll hopefully help you connect all of your ideas. The second part of our rubric is the idea of trade-offs. So once your reader understands how you prioritize your criteria, it's now time to explain your trade-offs that led to being optimal. So even though you prioritize side effects, how is it you were able to achieve that side effect by trading off different criteria? This is more than just saying you'll take one criteria over the other. This is describing the pros and cons of your treatment. So it's okay that it's a pro that we got this side effect if it means accepting this con with the cost. You also need to tell us the strategy behind your variations within your treatment. So in other words, tell me why you chose the 4 days rather than the 5 days. Tell me why you chose the large doses rather than the small doses. Tell me how those different variations led to your priority number one, whether it's cost, side effects, or resistance level coming true. And again, your paragraph prompts will help you accomplish that. So check your paragraph prompts to help you accomplish our two parts of our rubric. If you have questions or want things looked over, let me know. Otherwise, good luck.